Bootstrap is one of the most widely used free and open-source front-end frameworks, designed to streamline web development by utilizing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Its primary purpose is to help developers create responsive, mobile-first websites that seamlessly adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring usability across desktops, tablets, and smartphones. By offering a variety of pre-built components, including buttons, forms, navigation bars, and modals, Bootstrap enhances flexibility while significantly reducing development time. One of its key advantages is code reusability, allowing developers to maintain consistency throughout a project while keeping their workflow efficient. Originally developed by Mark Otto and Jacob Thornton at Twitter during a hackathon in mid-2010, Bootstrap was initially known as Twitter Blueprint. It was later renamed and released as an open-source project, quickly gaining popularity within the web development community. Bootstrap operates using a single CSS codebase, enabling developers to build responsive designs without manually writing extensive media queries. There are multiple ways to integrate Bootstrap into a project. Developers can download the necessary files directly from the official Bootstrap website, use a content delivery network for quick access, or install it through package managers like Node.js, Yarn, Composer, and Ruby gems. One of Bootstrap's greatest strengths is its modularity. Developers aren't required to use the entire framework. Instead, they can selectively include only the components they need, optimizing performance and keeping their websites lightweight. With its extensive documentation and active community support, Bootstrap remains a powerful and accessible tool for both beginners and experienced developers.